These are very, very heavy. Can you tell, like, assembly is like not like my favorite? Previously on the rental home project. Welcome to our new home. Hello there, welcome to Brandi Films. Why, hello there, welcome back to another little video. How are you doing? I hope that you are doing good. So for me, it is currently a Saturday, and I don't know, it's just like Saturday, like it's a beautiful day and we've got work to do. So we are back with episode 2 of the rental home project series here on my channel. If you know, you know, but I recently moved into a new apartment rental and I absolutely love my new space, and I'm taking you guys on my journey of making my apartment into a beautiful home. That said, in this video, we are going to put together some new furniture together. So I recently got some new sofas for my home, and I did show those in my apartment tour video. If you have not checked that out, or if you're interested, I will be sure to put a link here in this video for you to go watch that afterwards. But basically, I got these super incredible, beautiful black leather couches from Wayfair. I love them so much. Now, what I did not tell you in that video is that I also ordered some chairs for my living room. Yes, you heard that correctly. I'm like really excited to put these chairs together. So for the living room so far, we have 2 new sofas, we have a new ottoman, which I also showed in that apartment tour video, and now we're gonna add a couple of chairs to the living room. I know in my apartment home tour video, I did not show you like the fullness of my apartment nor the living room, but that's just like for safety reasons. Like, I know I don't have like a ton of like friends here online, but still, you know, like I know that's gonna come in the future, and I just don't wanna show like the full layout of my home. So that's why I gave you just a little glimpse. However, I am gonna try to give you like a full, you know, footage of my living room in this video, so that way you can see like what all of the new furniture looks like together in the living room. So I feel like I've been talking forever. Let's go ahead and get these chairs and get them put together. Now, okay, here's the thing, okay? I like really hope that like these chairs are like easy to assemble, because like it's like a Saturday, it's nice outside, I'm feeling good, and like I don't want to be doing this like for hours. So like putting the chairs together, like, so yeah, like we're gonna assemble it together, which, you know, yeah, let's just like go get the chairs. Surprise! I do have stairs in my new home. I've gotta get the chairs out of here. The chairs came in boxes, but I took them out of the boxes, and so I just like stored like the chair pieces in this closet here. So I've got to take these upstairs for us to put together. How many trips do you think this will take me to go up the stairs? How many do you think? So I'm gonna take these first. I'm happy that like these are like light, you know? So I think this will take us 3 trips. Okay, these are heavy, which is kind of a good sign, because if the chair pieces are heavy, hopefully the chairs are really heavy and good quality. Gotta get the instructions. Oh my gosh, these are very heavy. I think these chairs are gonna be easy to put together because, I don't know, it just came with like a tiny paper for instructions. So it can't be complicated, because otherwise we'd have a book, you know? So, well, that's like my thinking, you know, which thinking can get you in trouble sometimes. Well, it depends upon like your thinking patterns. So anyways, basically, let's like put these together. I feel like they're gonna be super easy. I still need the instructions. So wait. Uh-oh. Here are the instructions. I know I brought them up here. I brought the instructions up here. Like, I brought them up here. I just have to like, oh, here they are. So like, finally. Okay. Ooh. Okay, don't be intimidated, Brandi. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so here's what we're putting together. Let me show you. This right here, can you see it? Can you see this? I don't know if you can see it, but this is what we're putting together right here. And, ooh, okay, that's okay. But here's a little book. Can you tell, like, assembly is like not like my favorite. Why is this like bent? Oh, it's supposed to be. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, so we need to find, I think I get it. I'm excited. These chairs are super wide, which I'm really excited about. I wanted some wide, luxurious looking chairs for my living room. So I really hope that these look like the picture. I'm getting really excited. Okay, so this is the seat. Oh yeah, that's a good wide seat right there. Yeah. Okay, so. Do you know which side is the front? So, okay. Let me get my scissors. Okay, so I finally got like something connected on my chair here. So let me show you. So far we have the back of the chair right here, and then I'm starting to put the arm on. So it's like this. Hopefully you can see that. But then like you can like, you push the back forward, and then now I'm about to connect the seat part to the chair. So let's do that. Oh wait, let me check the instructions. So, oh my word, this will just go like this. The seat will just go up here. Oh, wow, these are big chairs. Oh my word, as I'm like really looking at it. Ooh, I love these. Okay, how can I get this to stay? Okay, I'm gonna have to twist. It's not hard with one person, but it is a tiny bit, you know, a little bit challenging because you have to like hold two things at once all the time. I'm gonna like use my legs to try to hold it while I connect this. Yeah, this goes in the front, I believe. This is kind of like, yes. Okay. Gosh, come on. Literally staying in place for like a second. Hopefully I can screw this in super fast. So I just got done putting together both of the chairs. Now I have these little, they're just the things you put like on the legs of a chair to make sure that they don't scratch the floor, these little thingies. So I'm gonna put these on this chair. I already put them on the other chair. So put these on. So let me flip this. These chairs are super, super heavy. Like they are so heavy. Okay. All right, so I finished putting the chairs together and I am extremely exhausted because I have been doing more than just putting the chairs together. Overall, I absolutely love the chairs so much. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was starting to get a little nervous prior to me putting the pillows in there. I like tested it out and I went to go sit in the chair. Why am I sitting so far back? Like it felt super awkward sitting in the chair. But then once I put the pillows in there, and I'm sure you know, but if not, those pillows like came with the chair. Like it's like the pillow for the chair. Once I put the pillows in there, I got in the chair, I sat in it and I was like, okay, this is like good now. Like I was like, okay, this was like a normal chair. But at first I was like, what in the world have I done? But yeah, I just love the way that the chairs turned out. And obviously, as you can see, for my furniture, I went with the color black. It's definitely going to be the theme of my furniture in my home is going to be black. And I'm not going to tell you like the interior design or like interior decorating style that I'm going for. I'm going to let you know that over time, but just know that like black for my furniture in my home is the best color for the interior design or decorating theme Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.